In this video, we'll talk about a feature in the list control builder that can save you a lot of time, especially if you define a lot of lists in your UX components. And many developers do define many lists because the list is really the ubiquitous control found in almost all applications. So let's go here and create a new list, and we'll just add an empty list to the UX component, and then we'll open up the builder. So you can see right now there are no properties that have been set in this list control. So we'll go here to Save Load Settings, and we'll load some previously saved settings. So I'll just go here and choose static data, and you can see that we basically populated the static data and also filled in the list layout over there. And if we go ahead and run it right now, basically we can see that we have our list with static data. So now let's go back here and load a different saved list. So we'll go here and we'll load this saved list, which was I saved it when I saved it I called it SQL data with detail view. So I'll go ahead there and choose it, and you can see now our data source is SQL. We've got the detail view turned on over there, and there's our list layout over there. So if we go now and we run this, basically we can see that we're now getting data from the SQL database over there. So creating a saved list is very easy. All that you need to do is just sort of go out and create your list. So let's go here and create a new list, and let's go to list properties again, and we'll say this is a SQL list, and we'll choose the Northwinds connection. And then this time we'll go ahead and we'll choose, say, the orders table, and we'll specify some fields from the orders table. We'll specify that the return value is the primary key, and that we would like to paginate using the fetch more option. So there are all of our fields, and then we'll go to our layout over there. Let's actually go to the layout and specify a freeform layout, and then go to the list layout here. We'll just choose a template. Let's just go ahead and say choose that template over there. Click OK. Let's just go and map the fields to that template. So we'll just map the fields in somewhat random order. And we'll just choose order date twice over there. So now we have our list over there, and let's go now and save this. So we'll save this as list orders freeform layout. So we'll go ahead now and save our list and go ahead and run it now. So we can see our list basically using the freeform layout. And then let's go and delete this now and choose another list. And so we have an empty list right now, and we'll go to list properties, and we'll go to load. So we can see that we'll pick the load one that we saved. So there's our layout over there. Let's go ahead now and switch to working preview, and let's actually get out of Internet Explorer because we're not seeing the right icon fonts in Windows 10 over there, and we'll switch to Google working preview. So now we see everything correctly. So you can see here that I've saved a tremendous amount of work in setting up this list here from the saved list settings. Thanks very much for watching.